Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am going to tell you about how to fix black screen problem in your Samsung smartphone. Friends, you can see the display is not working and it is showing black screen, and you can see when you just click on the power button it is not opening. And if you are facing this type of problem, so how you can solve this? So let's friends start the video. So first you have to press the power button and volume up and down button both at the same time, as you can see. And friends, then you have to just release this button and just long press this power button again. You can see, and now the logo will appears and you can see it is rebooting your device. Let's check if it is open or not.
रिकवरी मोड ऑन कर दो.
Friends, you can see it is now open and some of their smartphones are not working or still not opening. So friends, firstly you have to discharge your smartphone. If it takes 1 week or 2 weeks, you have to firstly discharge whole battery and then charge your smartphone at 0%, and then the logo will appear or something. You have to press these button what I am just said, like volume up button and power button. Do these steps and then your smartphone will wake up, and by doing these steps this will fix your problem of black screen. And you can see friends, it is now working properly. Friends, like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.